Hi guys, here I've got two products from Graco which is essential to your machine's longevity, and the first one I'm going to talk about is pump armor. Pump armor, it gets rid of paint that's in your pump, you know, a little bit of residual paint that gets stuck there and so forth, and also on your pipes. Paint becomes like cholesterol in your pipes. It actually narrows the pipes over time. And putting this stuff in, it dissolves that, and you can actually get it out of your pipes and get the right size diameter pipe again, and you can have a better spray thing, pattern and so forth. The second thing I want to talk about is TSL, throat seal liquid. Now this liquid goes onto the pump shaft. It just lubricates it, and it stops paint from actually sticking to the shaft and building up on that shaft, and makes it run a lot smoother, a lot better, and would put a lot less strain on your motor. So two products that will make your machine last a hell of a lot longer.